Hello family, I am Paul M. Brumfield and this is PMB Travels. Welcome to my channel. Currently I am on the Princess Discovery for an Alaskan cruise and I'm staying in an interior cabin. So let's take a look. This is the room as I come straight from the door. Right in front of me is a mirror. To the left is the bed. It is a queen size bed. As you can see, there are two end tables to the side of it with two lamps. Underneath it there is storage as well at the two end tables. Beautiful bed. Has 6 pillows, 2 of them being throw pillows. To the right you will see a big desk. Above it you will see a nice sized TV. Now beneath the desk, so more and more you can see that individuals are having the fridge hidden away instead of having it separate and isolated. So in this cabinet is the refrigerator, a small refrigerator. You can put your items to keep them cold. A chair. This desk has a lot of storage. This is only for me. I'm the only one in this cabin and there's ample space for me alone. On top of the desk you will see the outlets for your charging of your phone, your computer, or whatever items that you may have. So around this corner is where we will have the closets. So as I said before, that this cabin has a lot of storage, and so instead of putting your luggage underneath your bed, I put my luggage right in these closets here. They give you ample amount of hangers so that you can put your clothes. There's storage above as well. When you come to the right, there's an even further storage. Look at this cabinet. It's here you will find your stay safe, and then you have even more storage. To the left, even further storage. So there's ample amount of storage, whether there's 1 or 2 individuals that are staying in this room. And so now coming through here into the bathroom, ample size bathroom. Especially for myself. You see some shelving, decent sized counter space. Underneath you will find the waste basket. In this bathroom, there is no door for the shower, but there is a shower curtain. And I believe it can be even bigger because I'm so used to Carnival that it's bigger than Carnival in terms of a shower. It looks like you definitely have a little bit more space to move around in this shower. So I really like this room. I love, it's a new ship, so everything looks brand new, polished. And so tell me what you think about it. Please subscribe, like, comment on this video, and click the notification bell to be notified of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.